Today we have the 2019 Fiat Hobby. This vehicle has done just over 20,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. So as we step inside, we have our living/dining area. This is complete with our foldable table. We have our TV just behind and 2 belted seats, making this motorhome 4 belts. Just behind me is our kitchen area. This is complete with a cooker and sink, and we have lots of storage above and below. Moving on to our bathroom, this is a unique design and a very good use of space. Once we pull these shutters, we have a completely sealed off room. Once we're inside, we have our toilet, our sink, and our retractable shower head towel. Moving on to our double bed, which makes this camper 2 berth. We have our built-in speakers